Hello everyone, and thank you for watching our video tutorial on how to reset your iPhone back to factory settings. This video is brought to you by sellyourbadapples.com, your online buyback resource for all of those unwanted Apple products. What you're going to want to do is start by heading over to your Settings app on your iPhone. From there, you will see that I've already signed out of my iCloud. I recommend doing this before resetting your device. If you haven't already done so and you aren't sure how to do this, you can head over to our YouTube channel for a video tutorial on removing your iCloud from your device. But since that's already finished, I'm going to scroll down to General, and then I'll select the Reset. And from there, I'm going to want to choose the one that says Erase All Content and Settings. You're going to say Erase iPhone, and then it will ask you one more time, and you'll say Erase iPhone again. From here, it'll begin the process of erasing all the data off of your iPhone, and then you will see it power down and power back on. From here, you will end up back at the home screen, indicating that your device has in fact been reset and fully erased. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.